When a door opens for just a second, it is not only people or products going through. Outdoor air, dust, microparticles, and other contaminants can easily slip into the production area at the same time. That is why factories requiring high environmental control don't allow exterior entryways to lead directly into critical zones. Instead, they create a transitional space commonly known as a buffer room. So, what is a buffer room? Simply put, a buffer room is an intermediate space situated between two areas that have different environmental conditions or cleanliness standards. It acts as a transitional zone before people, materials, or products move from one area to another. Why do factories use buffer rooms? First, to prevent and reduce cross-contamination from one zone to another. Instead of leading directly into the main production area from the outside, a buffer room provides an extra layer of protection. Second, to help maintain critical internal conditions such as air purity, airflow direction, air pressure differential, or temperature depending on facilities' specific design. Third, to effectively manage access between two distinct environments. The buffer room creates a protective barrier so that external conditions don't directly affect production areas every time a door opens, making internal environment control far more efficient. Where should you consider using a buffer room? Buffer rooms are especially essential at transition points moving from low hygiene or general areas to high hygiene environments. Examples include main entrances leading into production zones, connections between warehouses and processing areas, transitions from low cleanliness to high cleanliness zones. Moreover, controlled transitional spaces such as buffer rooms may also be used to support GMP requirements by helping manage hygiene, contamination risk, and movement between controlled areas. Though a buffer room may look like just a small transitional space, it plays a vital role as a control checkpoint before entering key production zones. It effectively isolates internal and external environments, reduces contamination, and ensures higher overall operation efficiency for the facility. For more details about buffer rooms and clean hygiene solutions, feel free to contact Kravan PVC.